Good morning. Welcome to JS Machine. My name is Jerry. I kind of wanted to wrap this I don't know if you call it series or the boring build or what, but anyway, finally have success here. Everything seems to be working good. Tried to do a project last night that I kind of had in the back of my mind since I started this, and I forgot to go in and set my offsets. So being how it was late yesterday, I just went in and made the corrections on the CAD program and guessed at the offset. Everything worked out good. So the first thing that we did this morning, we did our little test pierce and tried to line up the Scribe as best we could. Took those numbers off of the did the little peck with the plasma, moved the Scribe over, tried to line it up as best as we could, and it didn't even go through this 20 gauge, so I had a pretty good a nice little peck there to center on, and ended up being 1 millimeter off. And anyway, a 2x2 square, scribe an X in the middle, then cut it out, and we're down to tenths of a millimeter. I didn't want to play with it anymore because my magnetic deal for the torch, I got a little bit of play in there. I got to figure something out a little different there now that I guess kind of depend on the accuracy of the offsets. For most things, if you're off a millimeter, you're not going to see it. If it was something critical, I'm going to have to do my little test before I mark and then cut. So, trying to just play around a little bit just to see, make sure everything was in center. Cut out the cross. Got this one a little bit too hot, but it's just a different color. And for the grand finale, this was what I was trying to work towards. Yeah, I got a misspelled word there, but it's too late to go back. Have to just live with it. I got about another 10 more projects working in here right now, running from one to one, painting and things. While it's drying, I'm doing something else. And I've been out on this stupid table setting all this up for a good week now. And I guess the time was well worth it. And anyway, this I even put the spelling, pointed out the spelling error on the back. My daughter is a missionary in South Africa, and she's been there for a couple of months now. We're missing her, so thought I'd make something, and I think we're going to try to send this to her. I think she'll really enjoy that. So if I don't mess it up before I can get it put in an envelope. So I guess we have a Scribe now. We can I'm going to design a little logo so I can put on pieces that are going to be going out the door. If I'm up here cutting, a little 2-minute logo isn't going to be that big of a deal. So I appreciate following along, and when we get to the next project, or something that's interesting, we'll try to say "and" again and shoot a little video of it, I guess. All right, well, thanks for watching, and until next time.